YouTube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlog. Today is Monday, guys. Monday, the day before, well, 3 days before Thanksgiving. So guess what? I expect it to be extremely busy today, guys. Extremely busy. And I'm short-handed. So, it's gonna be just me and Tone. Normally, J-Lo works with me today, but her and Raul have a scheduling issue, because, you know, Raul's going to be my apprentice, but his license isn't here yet. So, unfortunately, he can't work during the week. But Raul also has another job. He's a hardworking guy. He works for Stater Brothers supermarket, and he works in the meat department there. So, it being the holiday weekend, they need him at the market. So, that leaves me another guy short. Well, at least J-Lo works with me on Mondays, normally. So today I called in Tony, and it's going to be just me and Tone. We're going to hold it down. I expect it to be busy for 2 people because people are going to try to beat the holiday rush. The holiday rush starts tomorrow and Thursday. Trust me, guys, I know this as a professional and person that's been in this business for a few years already. The busy days are 2 days before Thanksgiving. The busy day is going to be Wednesday. So Wednesday I have all hands on board that day. Again, unfortunately my daughter can't be there because she has kids, and so we're gonna work it out. We'll manage. Sounds like yours truly has to pump it up into another level this week, and to get people out of there, you know what I mean? And you know, as leader of my shop and as a you know, the head barber there, that's what I do. That's how that's how I function. If I see us down, if I see us short-handed, if I see us a little packed, then I just bump it up into a different level and try to speed it up a little bit and try to get them out a little faster and turn them over. And that's what you got to do when you're the shop owner, when you're the head barber at that shop, you know. When the shop gets busy, it's not time to start socializing and taking my time. No, it's time to bump it up into a different level and get customers and get that turnaround out of there. You got to get them out of there. You got to get people out of their chairs. You got to notice, people got to be noticed, people leaving. Because if people are just getting haircuts and the barbershop's full, you know, and some barbers lock up a little bit. Some barbers, the younger barbers, they see the shop open and they get all scared and they start working slower for some reason instead of speeding it up. But it's the nature of the business, and that's how it is, you know. You gotta, you know, with speed comes confidence, and or with confidence comes speed, should I say, and you'll get faster and quicker, and you'll get to, you know, rise up to the occasion. But you gotta learn first, guys. That's the whole point. So I'm here at my favorite donut shop. Gonna get me a donut, give me some sugar and some coffee, and I'm gonna head to the shop. It is 8:07. We don't open till 9 o'clock on Mondays, but I'm gonna go over there a little early and get started on I'm gonna try to do my cleaning before the shop actually gets open, and I'm gonna open the doors either way. If somebody comes in, I'll cut their hair, but I want to get through my cleaning, that way I don't have to worry about it at the end of the day. I don't have to get stuck there. So good morning, guys. Have a great morning. Grind on, guys. If you guys aren't working today, my God, even if you're not scheduled to work today, if you didn't ask to go in today, guys, there's something wrong. Today is going to be a busy day. 2 days, you know how many people are already off work? They're already on Thanksgiving vacation. They're not even working today. You know, like, come on, kids are out of school right now. They're going to need haircuts for Thanksgiving, guys. You should be working today. That's my point for today, guys. So do you guys offer shaves at your barbershop? Facial shaves. With a straight razor too, not with a machine. Do you guys offer that service at your shop? It's I'm just asking because I'm just wondering how other barbershops are. At my barbershop, I do offer them. I've been doing them. I've always done them. When I was trained to use a razor, straight razor. So at my shop, yes, we do offer hot towel shaves. So this is our hot towel steamer right here. See? Check it out. Got hot towels in there right now. Already ready to go. I'm gonna refill it right now. That's the worst thing is when you're doing a shave and you go get a hot towel and there's no hot towels in there. That's one of the things that irks me the most. I always tell my barbers, like, you know what? When you see this thing halfway empty like that, fill it up. Fill it up. That way we always have hot towels. You have to have hot towels, guys. It's important. If you're doing a hot towel shave, how could you not have hot towels? If you don't have hot towels, there's a way around it too. You can always put wet a couple towels and throw them in the microwave. And you could cheat, you know, and they'll steam up real quick. They'll steam up in 2 minutes. But that's the way, you know, that way, in that sense, you have to be careful because they can get too hot and you could then, you know, you burn the customer. I always do, when I do a hot towel shave, first thing I tell my customer is, if the towel's too hot, feel free to take it off anytime you want. Because the towels do come out hot out of the steamer. So you got to make sure that you don't burn the customer. Talking about shaves right now is because, well, last night me and my girl, we went to the mall to do a little bit of shopping. And I walked into this place called the Art of Shaving. They have it at the mall. And it was a place where it was just nothing but shave products. And I actually picked up a new shave cream and a shave oil, a pre-shave oil. And I had been using pre-shave oils. That's another question I want to ask you. Do you guys use pre-shave oils? You know, if you guys are offering shaves, I highly recommend that you use a pre-shave oil. A pre-shave oil is the oil that you put on the skin and you rub it into the skin before you apply your shave cream or your shave gel. We were walking around the mall and I saw that store. It was called the Art of Shaving. So I went in there. I was very intrigued, of course, me being a barber. I went in there. I told the guy, I explained to the gentleman, they had these young guys. I don't know if they were even barbers. I didn't really even ask him. You know, but he knew a lot about the product. And so anyway, he showed me this product right here. Let me show it to you guys real quick. So it's the Art of Shaving. And I ended up getting this container right here. This is a shaving cream. So basically you're applying it to the skin. And before that, I'm going to apply a pre-shave oil. These two products together, they cost me $50. So, but I think I could get, you know, the only reason why I bought them, I'm not going to explain it to you guys, is I actually tried it on there and put it in my hands and I put it on my face and it was incredible. I mean, just this smell, the way it left my skin feeling, even, I can imagine getting a shave with that shave cream and afterwards your skin just feeling like super invigorated. It smelled good. I mean, just rubbing it on my skin, it made my skin feel, it made it feel softer. And then the shave oil, the pre-shave oil, oh my God. I use pre-shave oil. Look, this is a pre-shave oil that I use right here. Show it to you guys. I use Clubman pre-shave oil. I've been using this for years. That little container right there is only $5. So, I mean, compared to that one was 25. So, and that was, the other one's 2 ounces. That's only 1 ounce. So, I mean, it's substantially more. But the shave oil, when I put it in my hands, was the same thing. It just felt so smooth and so silky. And I could tell that you don't need no more than a drop or two to add to the face before you apply your shave cream. So, it's just something to think about this morning. Nobody here yet. I just opened up right now. I don't even know if I got any shaves today. So I'm excited about trying out my new product. That's one thing I want to do here is I want to kind of start pushing shaves, you know, because look, a shave here, I charge $20 for a shave, guys, but if you get a haircut and a shave, it's $33. So it's kind of a deal that I offer here, and you know, and more people are taking advantage of it. Eventually I'm going to adjust my prices because a shave is kind of a full service, you know. If I charge $20 for the shave and $20 for a haircut, it's $40. I'm $33. I'm cutting myself short with $7 because of the double deal. But I mean, I offer it as a deal to my customers, but at the same time, I'm thinking about readjusting my prices this next. I adjust my prices every January. Every January, I go up. I never stay the same, guys. One thing I've learned over the years is you need to go up on your prices every single year. So every January 1st, I raise my prices. Last year, I went up $3. Normally, on the regs, for the first 7 years, I only went up $1 every year. When we opened the doors here, the haircuts were $10. That was in 2009. I was charging $10, $13 for fades. So right now we're at $20 for fades, and you know, 9 years. It seems like we skipped a year or two there that I didn't raise the prices. But it's just something to think about, guys. I'm gonna get started on this day and we'll get on. All right, guys? You guys have a blessed day and get on. Grind on, guys. You guys should already be at the shop. So unfortunately today I haven't got a chance to do a shave yet to use my new product. So like I was telling you guys earlier, I went yesterday to the mall, went to this place called The Art of Shaving, and they had some really nice shave creams and pre-shave oils. And I've been using a pre-shave oil already, like I've showed you. But this stuff was incredible. I mean, it just felt great. I put some on my hands, let me try it out. And the shave cream it left your skin so moisturized. So I can imagine that shaving with it was gonna be, it's gonna be pretty good. So, and I've been trying to up my game on my shaves. I feel like I could charge more, but I want to up my game first personally. So now with some better products, I think it's gonna make a tremendous difference. The better products you use, guys, the better your haircuts and everything. You know, I don't use product at my shop that I don't sell. You know, I don't use good gel and sell shitty gel. No, I use the gel that I sell. So that way that when I present it to my customers, they can say, like, I can show them this is what I use and, you know, this is what we sell, you know. And but this new shave cream and pre-shave oil, oh man, I can't wait to try it out. And I haven't got a shave yet. I'm sure I'll get one eventually. I have I want to say I have at least 7 customers that get shaves regularly from me. And a lot of customers come in and get shaves, but they get them from the other guys sometimes. And, you know, not that the guys don't do them right, but, you know, I have my own system of doing it, and I think I might have to do like a training session with them and explain to them what they can do to make their shaves better, to make it more personable, you know, like a little pre-shave oil first, a little shave gel, then you put a hot towel, you know, and you take your time, you do it right, and I think the service will come out better, you know, a lot better. So I'm looking forward to using that product. I haven't got a chance to use it yet. Today is Monday, guys, and right now there's 3 of us working at the shop, but it's been super crazy busy. It's almost 3 o'clock. I barely got out to go get lunch right now. I'm gonna go grab a burger, and we're gonna head back and just start tackling it again. Just giving you an example how crazy busy it's been. It's 3 o'clock and I got 17 haircuts already, so it's gonna be one of those, you know, crazy days. I'll probably do at least another 5 or 6 before the day's over, maybe even more than that. So I'm gonna head back to the shop, finish this day strong. The only reason why I got out right now is because it kind of died out real quick, so I'm able to excuse myself. So I'm gonna get back and get started, finish off this day strong, and then we'll go from there. It's holiday week, guys. This is it, Thanksgiving week. This is what we work for. This is what we want. We want those big money days. Grind on.